From a day in ASB
to tomorrow's assembly,
we've got the scoop. Please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ready? Begin.
Okay.
Of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Centurions. I'm Leonardo Tellez.
And I'm Victor Garcia.
And we're coming to you live from the Inside Scoop studio.
As you may notice, Bella isn't here today, for she got abducted by aliens.
I'm
just kidding. She's with the rest of the academy trying to win her competition in Bakersfield, but they will be back for tomorrow's assembly.
Wait, tomorrow's the assembly?
Yes, Leo, aren't you excited?
Yes, I can't wait to see the boys' soccer performance and, of course, dance.
I agree. I'm excited to see the girls' basketball performance.
Let's see what other Centurions are excited for. Take a look.
I'm mostly excited for the cheer performance that I get to get out of class.
The litness.
The dance performance.
I'm excited to see the choir perform because they're the best.
To see the boys soccer team perform.
To see you, Leo.
I'm so excited to see the dance team perform, even though I'm not performing.
I'm excited to see the Polynesian performances.
To see what cheerleader falls. I'm very excited to see drama. I'm excited to see dance and cheer. Me too.
I'm excited to see cheer and dance perform.
What are you most excited to see at the assembly?
I'm very excited to see those people's play.
The band play.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see the race team.
The whole thing. See the basketball girls perform. See the homie Leo perform. Funny moments and messes up.
To be excused from class.
See Leo be an MC.
To see my basketball boys perform.
I'm really excited to see the dance team perform.
And I'm really excited to see all the ladies perform.
Wow, there are sure a lot of performances happening tomorrow. And by the way, I hope you are cozy today with your blanket. If not, snuggle up with one friend who brought one.
So make sure to wear blue and white for tomorrow's assemblies, or else you won't enter the assembly. Just kidding. But you will receive candy, so make sure to show school spirit.
I know I am participating.
Hey, do you know who makes these assemblies?
No, not really.
ASB.
ASB who? Who is ASB anyways?
Associate Student Body, the student body that makes all your spirit weeks, your dances, fundraisers, that puts music on during lunch, that one small crowd that tries to pump up the big crowd at games. Any clue yet?
Oh yeah, they're a big deal here at Century, Leo.
Do you ever wonder what goes on in that class every day other than just them doing posters?
Now that you mention it, I actually do.
Well, here's a video, and before watching this, this video is real, so that means no ASB members were told to act out any part, nor they knew the camera was coming at them. So here's a video I caught a day or two in ASB.
We've shared dreams under open skies. We've loved far and we've traveled wide. The best is yet to come. Danced out late in the pouring rain. Never lost hope, never lost the flame. And the best is yet to come. deep, but the best is yet to come. We've waited long enough by now. We've got a
Wow, ASB is actually very interesting and they look somewhat productive.
Yeah, that's my ASB.
Are the senior windbreakers still going on, Leo?
Yes, why do you ask? You're not a senior.
It's for my senior friend. Class of 2019 is better anyway.
Ouch. Well, let's find out tomorrow at the assembly by seeing which class is louder. I mean, there really isn't any competition, but class of 2018 is better. Senior windbreakers are at $40. The line is coming up very soon, so make sure to purchase one from any senior ASB member. Plus, you could add any 10 characters at no additional cost. So you could come up to me anytime.
Centurions, don't forget to come to Winter Formal this Saturday. It will take place in the gym and prices are $17 with ASB card, $20 without an ASB card, and $25 at the door. So make sure to buy your ticket and take that special someone, or maybe your friend, or maybe your entire squad.
So guys, look fresh with that suit, and ladies, you do you, and look pretty.
Welcome to the Inside Scoop Sports Desk. Yesterday, varsity boys soccer had a match and came out with a tie of 0-0 against Katella. Here we have a video of Melissa and Maria who went out to record this match.
Hi Centurions, I'm Melissa Lopez here at the boys soccer game versus Katella. Let's see how they do.
We're gonna tip it. Come on, drop it back here. We need runs in the box. Runs in the box, Caesar. Tranquilo, tranquilo. En enfrente. Ahí está. López, no lo dejes a él. Pégale. Buena, Burgos. Run through it. All the way in. ¡Llévatelo! Aquí está. Ahí está. Have it. ¿Quieres matar la jugada del encontrado? Mátala. Falta también. Burgos. Sigue. Is there a weight?
Alan.
That was his breath and he
Centurions, I'm here with some varsity soccer players. So how do you think today's game went?
I think it really went. I think it went really well. We played one of the toughest opponents in our league, and we got a good result. So to next game.
What do you think you guys can do better?
We could have communicated more as a team. Just touch more, I guess, and finish him.
That's it.
Now moving on to wrestling. Ferb went on to record yesterday, so let's see what went down yesterday.
Here we are at Century at our boys wrestling match, and let's see how they do. So today was your last match here. What are you gonna miss about wrestling?
I'm gonna miss having fun with my teammates, and I definitely won't miss cutting weight. That's for sure.
So how do you feel that you're gonna leave the team next year?
It feels cool, they have to take over the team, lead them, and push them hard.
do you feel about today's match?
It felt great because all the hard work paid off, and it was so good to take the win today.
So Cedric took the win today, but he's sick. But how do you feel?
Great.
He's so great by taking the win.
Today, varsity girls soccer will play at Anaheim along with girls basketball, which will play there as well. Jason Jacobo didn't need to face an opponent. Frederick Mendoza won his match. Diana Cardenas won hers with a pin. And the rest lost, but Juan Herrera won his match and got ranked number 5 in the county for his weight class.
Tomorrow is Century's Got Talent in the TCC at 7. So make sure to go see the performance and find out the hidden talent that are in some people that you might know.
Senior students interested in attending Irvine Valley College in the fall, please sign up in the Higher Ed Center to meet with an IVC counselor on January 24th.
So remember, guys.
Don't worry.
Be happy. Bye.
Bye.